Hello, good day my fellow collectors. This is Red Apple 921 again and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to share with you one of my new find. And the figure that I'm going to share with you is from the Disney TV series or movie Lilo and Stitch. But before we do the unboxing, let's take a quick look at the artwork of the box. Here you can see the logo of the pack, the title of the series or the movie, Disney Lilo and Stitch, number 1046. Here you can see the 3D promo photo of the figure, the name of the figure, the Stitch, and here you can see the iconic window display box of the Funko Pop. Now on the side, you can see Stitch 1046, the other figure that are included in this series. The other side, full body of the Pop or Stitch, the top, and at the bottom. Now for a quick and fast unboxing, let's do the snap. Ta-da! Now let's take a closer look at the figure. Here you can still see the iconic design of the Funko Pop. The big head compared to the body and the big black round eyes. I like the color of Stitch. Look at the teeth. Look at the big ears. I like the detail. Look at the design here. Oh, nice. Look at the detail. So nice. The body. The Stitch is in a sitting position. By the way guys, Stitch, also known as Experiment 626, is an illegal genetic experiment created by Jamba Ju Kiba, whose primary function is to destroy everything he touches. After escaping the lawful galactic armada, Stitch crashed in Hawaii or on Earth and lands in Hawaii, specifically in Kauai, where he met the lonely girl Lilo, and because of the guidance and love of Lilo, Stitch abandoned his evil programming permanently and become part of Lilo's Ohana or family. Oh guys, so nice guys. Look at the detail, although there's some flaw there here in the nose, but overall it's a great addition to my collection. I guess that's it guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please stay safe and God bless.